Hello, year six. Hope all of you are doing so well. And in today's video, we're going to talk about adding and subtracting integers. All right, what are we going to do over there in adding and subtracting integers, Mr. Ahmed? We're going to learn for the first time that it can be small minus big. I know that ever since you started learning, the teachers all say to you that it's always big minus small, big minus small. We cannot put the small number at the top there. It's always big minus small. Well, that was just maybe like until like grade 5, but right now you need to learn that it can happen. Small minus big can happen. All right, so how is this going to happen? It is, for example, here 1 minus 4, negative 2 minus 3, or minus 2 plus 3. It's just the same idea as handling it using the number line. Well, the number line, all of you already mastered this, and it was very easy to handle it on the number lines, but there are other two steps or another way to do this, which is going to be faster just in time. With practicing, you're going to get used to it, and you need to learn it. We used to do it on the number line, saying that 1, negative 4. If I put the 1 here, for example, on the number line, this is 1, not negative 1, guys. It's just 1. And I say to you minus 4, which means that we're going down 4 steps. So from 1, this is 1, not negative 1, okay? I should have used just here, plotting it this way. All right, so going down 4 steps, what is the number going to be? 4 steps down. Yes, it is going to be negative 3. You all already know how to handle this. But today we're not going to learn about how to handle this on number lines. We're going to learn another thing, which is you just look at the question and ask yourself, are the two numbers, or do the two numbers have the same signs or not? So what's the sign of the 1? It's positive, mister. What's the sign of the 4? It's negative, mister. Yes, so they have different signs. If they have different signs, we subtract. The same signs, we add. So here it's different signs. Oh, mister, but here there is no sign in front of the 1. Yeah, no problem. It just means positive. Yeah, all the numbers that you guys have been learning ever since you were in KG1, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. We call them positive numbers. We just call them positive numbers. So here it is 1 is positive. The 4 is negative, actually. It's there, the sign in front of it. Yes, the minus sign, mister, it's not negative. Yeah, we call it also, it's the same. It gives it negative sign. It's just the same, minus negative. So here, positive and negative, they are different, subtract. Big minus small now, yeah. 4, take away from it 1, it's going to be 3. So that's how we do it. No, put the sign of the big number. So which number is bigger, the 1 or the 4? Without the signs. The 1 or the 4 is bigger. It's the 4. What's the sign of it? It's negative. That's it. Negative 3. All right, another thing over here. Negative 2 minus 3. Or minus 2 minus 3. Get me right away. So here, how are they going to do this? Do they have the same signs or different signs? Sir, they have the same signs. So are they going to add or subtract? Same signs. We're going to add. 2 plus 3 is 5. The sign of the big number, Mr. Big or small, both of them are negative. So it's just negative 5. The same thing in the third question. What's the sign of the 2? It's negative. The sign of the 3, it's positive. Do they have same signs or different signs? Different signs, mister. One is negative, one is positive. So subtract. The different signs, subtract. 3, take away from it 2, it is going to be 1. 3, take away from it 2, it's going to be 1. But the sign of the big number, don't forget this, guys. This is extremely important. Highlight it for you. This one here, the sign of the big number. So we said they are different, so we're going to subtract the 3, take away from it. 2 is 1. The sign of the big number, 3 is the big number. Of course, 2 is not bigger than 3. The sign of the 3 is positive, so it's positive 1. Positive 1. Oh, mister, if I don't put the positive sign, yeah, that's fine. It's going to be still going to be correct. 1 is still going to be correct. That's it, and thank you so much, everyone. See you tomorrow.